Using the discussion feature. Enter your course and click the Discussions button on the left-hand side menu. TAs, instructors, and students can use the discussion feature to create posts, ask questions or polls, and generate discussion or dialogue. When creating a post, you can write in the text box or you can upload photos, videos, or files. You can also tag your post with a certain topic. To ask a question to your class, you can either use a poll or have it be open-ended. You have the option to ask anonymously by checking off this box. If you choose to create a poll, you may add answer options by clicking here. If the question was asked in the form of a poll, you may vote for an answer and choose to elaborate on why you picked that option by clicking here. When answering an open-ended question or poll, you may choose to answer anonymously or not. You may choose to start a discussion. To do this, there is a field to describe what you want to discuss and an area where you can add content below to start the discussion. You can upload an image, insert links, add a table, media, or code. Your classmates, TAs, or your instructor can then reply or like your discussion post. If you reply to a discussion, you will automatically start following that thread. You can choose to filter activity in the discussion platform by type, recent activity, or recent post. After creating a post, question, or discussion, you will always have the option to edit or delete it. You can also like, comment, or follow other people's posts, and like or reply to other users' answers on posts, discussions, and questions. Anyone is able to report a post and indicate the reason why it was reported. This may be because of harassment or spam, it was an incorrect topic, or it's against the terms of use. You may also choose to explain your reason for reporting in more depth.